Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Chihuahua toothbrush is probably one of the most important tools you can have for your furry friend's dental hygiene, and choosing the right one can be overwhelming with so many options available. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect toothbrush for your small dog, ensuring their pearly whites stay healthy and shiny, and we will cover everything from bristle types and sizes to handle designs and special features. Number 5. Arm and Hammer Tartar Control Kit. This complete kit makes caring for your dog's teeth easy and effective. It includes everything you need for a healthy smile. It's specially formulated to gently reduce tartar buildup, leaving your dog's teeth cleaner and brighter. It's safe for puppies too. Made with natural ingredients and a tasty beef flavor, your dog will love using it. Brushing time will be a treat. Start by letting your dog lick the toothpaste from your finger. Gradually introduce the toothbrush or finger brush for a thorough cleaning. Brush 2 to 3 times a week for best results. It's infused with baking soda for a gentle yet effective clean. Remember to avoid contact with eyes and keep it out of reach of children. It's not for human use. We're committed to your pet's well-being. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like? It's made with natural ingredients, so it's gentle on your pet's gums. It's also safe for puppies, making it a great choice for new pet owners. If you're looking for a gentle and natural way to care for your puppy's teeth, you should consider this. What people say. The Arm & Hammer for Pets Tartar Control Kit for dogs is a great option for pet parents who want to keep their furry friends' teeth and gums healthy. The kit includes a 2.5-ounce tube of toothpaste, a dual-headed toothbrush, and a finger toothbrush. The toothpaste is made with baking soda, which helps to clean and deodorize teeth, while the toothbrush has soft bristles that are gentle on gums. I like this package with combo of toothpaste with toothbrush and finger brush. I have 2 dogs and one of them only accept finger brush, and the other one like the toothbrush. This combo allow me to buy one and use on both of them. The toothpaste itself is great, it instantly cleans a lot of the gunk of the teeth as you can feel the cleaning as you brush your dog's teeth. It really only takes a couple of days for your dog's teeth to look better. My dog enjoys the flavor and it has that familiar clean neutral smell to it that Arm & Hammer products are known for. Number 4. 360 Degrees Dog Toothbrush Set. Its patented 360 degrees design ensures your pet's entire mouth is cleaned. The conical bristles fit perfectly, making it comfortable and easy for your pet to accept. This finger brush is longer than traditional ones, reaching deep into your pet's mouth for thorough cleaning. It also protects your fingers from accidental bites. The dual-headed design offers 2 cleaning options. Its soft silicone is gentle on gums, and the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip. The 2-finger brush is made of soft, elastic material that fits comfortably on your fingers. It's durable, washable, and reusable. It's ideal for medium and large dogs. While it may also work for smaller pets, ensure it's the right size for their mouths. This complete oral cleaning kit is highly recommended by veterinarians to easily solve various pet oral problems. You get 3 complete sets for the price of 1. That's 3 of each type of brush for even more cleaning power. What we like? Its 360 degrees design ensures complete cleaning, while the comfortable design makes it easy for your pet to accept. It's also very easy to use, even for first-time pet owners. If you want thorough cleaning and a stress-free brushing experience, this is the one for you. What people say. I've been brushing my 10 #overweight Pomeranian's teeth using the small side and it's easy to reach all the way to the back teeth. He has a very small little mouth and the small size works great. I also have a 10 Chihuahua Manchester Terrier with a bigger mouth and the small size is perfect for him as well. No bristles have fallen out. I like that the bristles are soft yet firm enough to clean their teeth. My dog has recently found he wants to chew the actual brush, which I'm okay with because it helps get his little back teeth. We've been using these several days and my dog allows it, so far so good. I think they will hold up well for my 22-pound dog's little teeth and light chew brushing. The small end works for the small Sheltie, the large end being too large. But the big Sheltie uses the large end on the back teeth. I found it easier to hold the lips away from the teeth with the brush than with the back of my finger. Number 3. Kenko Care Micro Head Dog Toothbrush. This toothbrush is specially designed for toy breeds and cats. Its small size makes it perfect for those tiny mouths. The 10mm mini bristles reach even the hardest to clean areas. It's a game changer for your pet's oral hygiene. The unique 15-degree angled head fits comfortably in your pet's mouth, making brushing easier and more effective. It gently removes plaque and food particles, promoting healthier gums and teeth. It's a simple way to improve your pet's dental health. It's made with durable ABS resin and nylon bristles. You can trust in its quality and effectiveness. Remember to brush gently towards the tooth surface at the correct angle. Don't forget to massage the gums for extra care. What we like. The mini-sized head is perfect for small breeds, reaching those hard-to-reach areas. It's also easy to use and made in Japan, ensuring high quality. If you have a toy breed dog and want a high-quality brush, you should consider this. What people say. Very tiny brush, easy to go all the way deep to clean black spot. This micro head size brush, with 4 bunches of bristles fit the bill perfectly. Not only does this get into those hard to clean areas well, she doesn't mind it as badly as when we used the other competing toothbrushes. Soft enough to where there was pretty much no bleeding and yet firm enough to clean. The thoughtfully designed handle itself provided perfect maneuverability, which is very helpful. This cylinder head brush cleaned his teeth and massaged his gums perfectly. There was no bleeding, but it was firm enough to clean. Number 2. Dog Mouth Toothbrush. Say hello to easier dental care for your furry friend. It's small, lightweight, and designed for comfortable cleaning. This toothbrush is battery-powered for effortless use. No more messy manual brushing. Its small size makes it perfect for travel or storage. You can easily keep it in your bag. The soft bristles are gentle on your dog's gums, while effectively removing plaque and tartar. It's crafted with precision in Japan, ensuring high quality and durability. You can trust it for long-lasting performance. It measures just 1.3 by 0.8 by 8.1 inches, making it easy to handle and store. Weighing only 0.6 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight. What we like. It's battery-powered for ease of use, and its small size is perfect for small dogs. It's also made in Japan, guaranteeing quality. If you want a convenient and effective solution for brushing your small dog's teeth, this is a good option. What people say. The toothbrush is the perfect size for my small dog. Even though she hates having her teeth brushed, she doesn't mind this one that it fits in my hand so comfortably and I'm able to grip it perfectly, and it's made of great quality. The bristles are not too hard or soft. It is perfect for cleaning her teeth well. It is easy for me to handle and maneuver inside of her mouth. It is gentle, non-threatening. It fits easily into the back of the mouth, which is so very important as that area is more difficult to reach and visualize. The bristles are also not too hard or soft, so they are good for removing plaque from little dog teeth, which notoriously have issues. Number 1. Small Dog Toothbrush Kit. It's designed for small dogs and puppies. The soft bristles gently clean their delicate teeth and gums, making the experience stress-free for both you and your pet. No prior experience is needed. The user-friendly design and 360 degrees brushes simplify the process, making it easy for anyone to maintain their puppy's dental health. This kit offers a complete solution. Each brush tackles specific needs, from tartar removal to cleaning hard-to-reach areas, ensuring comprehensive care. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set provides everything needed for a puppy's oral care, combining practicality and care. Say goodbye to bad breath and plaque. It easily removes tartar and freshens breath, leaving your pup with a healthy smile. The included chart helps you monitor your pet's dental health over time, allowing for proactive care and keeping those pearly whites clean. What we like. This kit includes multiple brushes to address different cleaning needs, making it perfect for puppies. It's also very easy to use, even for beginners. If you're looking for a comprehensive and user-friendly solution for your puppy's dental care, you should consider this. What people say. You got a good variety of different bristles for different needs, and they are all gentle enough that they gently massage a tiny dog's gums and are soothing without being too soft to be effective. The size is absolutely perfect for a tiny dog's teeth and mouth. I love how this package has a variety of different brushes, and while I haven't used all of the ones in the package, the main 2 toothbrushes both fit her mouth nicely. After so much trial and error, I'm relieved to find that a cat toothbrush solves the problem of brushing my Chihuahua's teeth. The brush fits more comfortably in his mouth compared to standard brushes. And there's a variety for him in the textures and pressures with this set. It's sturdy for the angle and application to his teeth. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.